Good morning. Welcome back to Cub Cadet. Today, this 1282 is probably going to its new home. This video here is going to be unedited, just like normal. This 1282 came out really good. I did add hydraulics to this machine, and you see it really runs very well. I'm going to change a seat before it goes to the new owner. Right there is a number 4 cart that came in here the other day. I'm going to give you a good walk around. I had one of these as a child. My dad brought it home from the dealership, and I treasured it. Now, this one came from just south of Bradford, Pennsylvania. Pretty happy to have it. I told the gentleman when I bought it that I probably will never sell it, and I'll keep it in my storage building. I will never use it again, but I'm really glad to have one. I wanted one in this type of patina. I didn't want one painted up with it. I just wanted one that was all natural, and this is the one I have. This 1282, everything works. I checked the electric clutch, and I'm real tickled with it. I did change the dash out. I did put an International Cub Cadet one off a 782 on it. Changed the side panels, but this one right here says Walkley's in Perry, New York. This machine is probably going up near Lockport, New York. Painted the front emblem, and I'll show you underneath the hood, and then we'll look that car over one more time. Right there it is. It really came out very well. I'm very happy. Some projects turn out a little bit better than others. Had this completely apart, changed the transmission hydrostat. I did not change the rear housing, kept the red one in it. My first Cub Cadet was a 1282. This one has the red housing on it. And I hate to see it go, but it is part of the business when you're doing this. But so I'm going to give you another look at this cart, and you be the judge. If you have number 4 cart, please respond in the comments. I read every comment, good or bad. I read them all. So if you have a comment, please leave it. Appreciate you subscribing to my channel. Appreciate you watching it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We have many videos coming up in the future. I'm way ahead on filming. And all winter long, we'll have some of the greatest. If you have a video that you would like to see be done, just email me and I'll be glad to do it. So everyone have a great day, and we'll talk to you on the next video.